Everybody, today's video is a Shasta compact. It's a 1969 and its name is Grace, and the first thing I'm seeing is that cute awning, and Martha here is going to tell me about it. She doesn't want to be on video, but she's going to walk with me and tell me all about the camper. She's got some flamingos here. So tell me, first of all, where did you get the awning? Because I love it.
The awning originally came with the camper when I bought it. I've had the camper for about a year.
This one's 20.
Okay.
I have the original awning, which was tan and brown, but this one goes with the color scheme now.
Right. All right. And can we look inside?
Absolutely.
All right. Let's see. She's got her door decorated. So this is a Sisters on the Fly rally. And what number sister are you?
18019.
18019. And so how long have you been a sister?
Almost a year.
Almost a year. So you're pretty new.
Yes, ma'am. We're currently over 20,000 now.
And where are you from?
I'm
not the exact town, but like area.
I'm from Georgia, just a little north of Atlanta.
So you haven't come too far. Just maybe 4 hours. Okay.
Yeah.
Look at this, guys. So these, oh, I love your little setup here. So your beds can go into one big bed, right?
Yes, ma'am. You have to remove the table and it will pull out to be a whole bed across the back.
That's awesome. And then there's storage under there?
Yes, ma'am. There's storage under both of the beds. And you have a storage there, and then the closet is a porta potty and a regular hanging clothes closet.
And do you have air conditioning?
No, ma'am, I do not have air conditioning. I just have a fan.
Okay. I'm seeing the ones I've seen so far today don't have air conditioning. I wouldn't want to be without it, but
sometimes
I guess it's your heat tolerance, you know. So I like your little sign. She confidently trusts the Lord to take care of her.
I've camped in her in August in Augusta, and I had to use blankets at nighttime.
Wow.
It was nice and cool.
Yeah. All right. Well, thank you for showing it to us.
Thank you.
And happy travels on your camping trip.
Yes.
All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Catch us on the next video. Bye.